guys, how it's going? It's Marij Ahmed from the Code Gym, and today we have made something that is we use for our daily lives, we use to calculate, and that is the calculator. So first of all, I have given you the code here because I don't want to waste time giving the code. Just I have written the code here. It is not a very complex code, but you need to understand what I've done. So this is the doc type HTML. This is the div class named main. Let me do this for you guys. This is the div class main, where this is the container. Let me zoom in. Yes, this is the container. Yes, so this is the container. So we have made the container, and there is the input ID, meaning that the ID where we need to type our sum, or we can type it right here like I do this, so I will get the answer. So that is what is the function of this input. We will show you the JavaScript, how it calculates, how it does its manipulation, how it evaluates. So this is the C button where it's clear result. The on click function says that clear result. We will also talk about when we come to JavaScript. There is the div class that is named button class btn, and there is a function on click that is get num, and a parameter of 7 that is presented on 7. It will get num and will display here. That is in the JavaScript, how it needs to be done. We will show you in the JavaScript. So I have done this for all the get num. For multiply, I have done this because JavaScript understands this type of multiply. I have done minus, plus, and divide. Divide is not here, sorry, but I will show you guys how to divide it. Now, what is the function? Get result is get result equals to get result. I have made a function, and get num 0. Very easy HTML. Style.css, I have done it made them look in a line, and the input textures and these buttons and all that. Then we come to the app.js, the main. So there's a function that names get num. Var result equals to document.get element by id equals to answer. Get num answer, id answer. Look, there is the answer, id of answer, where answer would be printed, and the result dot value. What is the result? Result dot value, id equals to result dot value. Yes. So result is the variable that is saved in the index.html, and plus equals to num. Num meaning we can say num meaning what is the number there, and the clear result where we have stored var equals to document.get answer, and we have done the result value to null, or you can write in this to parenthesis function get result. This is the main. For result, we have done result dot value equals to eval. What is this eval? Eval is a function that evaluates two arguments in between it. So the result dot value, understand guys, the num will get to the answer, the value of the answer, and then when we do multiplication and all that, look, that's how it's done. 2, 5, 5, 6 plus 3 equals to 59. What has been done in this? What has been done? It gathered up the value and eval. It evals the value here. Look, I do 54 multiplied by 9. It will eval this value because he knows what is this all the multiplication signs and all that. So that is very basic thing you need to know. That is a very basic calculator. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, turn the notifications bell on so you never miss my latest update. Bye bye, see you guys next time. Ooh.